Hi friends, welcome to Facts and Tube. Today I have bought one shirt from Amazon. Please watch this video before buying this shirt. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, and for more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Friends, Amazon description says that this is 100% cotton, but it doesn't look like that. It shows it's like a cotton blend or some other like, but it's not 100% cotton. I bought this for 500 rupees. Mainly purchased this because it shows 100% cotton. Look at this picture. It shows like that, but it doesn't feels like that. Because I somewhat disappointed and decided to return this shirt. Thanks for watching, friends. If you like this video, please don't forget to like this video and comment your opinion on the Amazon this product, and subscribe our channel for more videos like this and amazing content in future.